Today we're going to be checking out the SC1 Amplitank audio interface from FIFINE. I'm going to be pairing it up with the Ampligain AM8 dynamic microphone. We're going to go through all the ins and outs and all the features of this audio interface as we go through this video. But let's jump in here. Let's get it unboxed, show you all the features, and tell you all about it. All right, so let's get this thing unboxed. We'll show you what comes in the box, show you the packaging as well, and all the accessories that come with the SC1 audio interface. So here is the packaging that we get whenever we order our FIFINE Amplitank SC1 audio interface. So once we get the box open, this is what we're greeted with: a simple user guide and some foam packaging insert for our SC1 audio interface. So once we get the additional packaging removed, we are then greeted with our audio interface and our USB cable that is provided for connection to our computer. So now that we've got it unboxed, we are greeted with our SC1 audio interface. And as you can see, we have our controls on top of the interface itself. We have our mic gain. We have a secondary gain that is used for an instrument that can be connected to the front on the accompanying jack. We have our output volume for studio speakers that can be connected to the back of the audio interface as well. Then on the front of our interface, we have the input for our microphone. We also have a button to turn on and off our 48-volt phantom power. Then we have a knob that will allow us to control recording for a microphone or an instrument. We have our instrument input, our headphone input. We have a knob to control volume for direct monitoring in our headphones. And then we can turn direct monitoring on and off by a simple push of a button. On the back of the interface, we have our outputs for a set of studio monitors that can be connected directly with a 6.35 millimeter jack. We also have the USB connection that will allow it to power the device. And then we also have a security lock for the SC1 as well. So now that we've got it unboxed, let's talk about it a little bit more. The body of the interface is all plastic. However, it is not a cheap plastic. There is no give at all inside of the interface. So, pressing on it, there is no give to it at all. It does have 4 rubber stoppers on the bottom of it to prevent it from sliding around or moving when it's on your desktop or wherever you're using it at. The controls on the interface are done really well. They're straightforward and simplistic. Gain is done easily by, each knob for your device, whether it be your microphone, whether it be a guitar or bass. The output control is done easily as well. Just simply turn it up, turn it down to provide output levels to your monitor speaker. As I stated, it does provide 48 volts of phantom power for a condenser microphone. It does also provide inputs for a bass or guitar as well as headphones. However, one thing I did notice, as stated previously, is that it does require a lot of gain, specifically for this microphone that I'm using right now. I do have it turned 3/4 of the way up to provide ample volume while I was recording this video. I noticed as well with other microphones, it is pretty much the same thing. Keeping it around 75% will provide the necessary volume and gain to your microphone for using this interface. Some of the oddities that I noticed while using it is that if you actually move the interface around or actually have to tap on the interface itself, it does introduce some background noise, some interference. The indicator lights on top of the interface itself, they will actually turn green and light up without you actually speaking into a microphone while you're using it. The interference isn't noticeable unless you're moving the device around. And if you're using it in a recording situation, whether you're doing voice recording or instrument recording as well, you're not going to be moving the device anyway. I just felt that I should bring that to your attention about the device itself. So, final thoughts on the FIFINE SC1 Amplitank audio interface. It does provide a lot of nice features. If you plan on taking advantage of these features, then why not grab it up for $55? If it does more than what you need, there are some better options out there for around the same price point. But anyway, this is my thoughts on the SC1. If you want to pick it up, I'll leave links down below. Of course, they are all going to be Amazon affiliate links. But anyway, until next time, much love, peace out, and we'll see you in the next video.